Habit 1. Start embarrassingly small. I used to go all in, 1-hour workouts, perfect streaks, and then I'd disappear for weeks. The problem wasn't motivation, it was ego. The goal isn't the workout. The goal is becoming someone who works out. So I made it 10 push-ups. That's it, no 0 days. Identity beats intensity. Habit 2. Water before anything else. Coffee, water first. Soda, water first. I thought I lacked discipline. Turns out I was just dehydrated. 2 sips. That's the rule. Small rules beat strong willpower. Habit 3. My phone sleeps in another room. I didn't realize how anxious I was until I removed the thing causing it. Even face down, your brain waits for it to buzz. Move it out of the room. Sleep improves fast. Habit 4. Decide tomorrow's hardest thing before bed. My mornings used to start with friction. Now they start with execution. One hard thing, decided in advance. No debate when I wake up. Clarity removes resistance. Habit 5. I track my habits with 3 colors. Green means full effort. Yellow means minimum. Red means 0. The goal isn't green. The goal is no red. Most people quit because they miss one day. This system makes missing almost impossible. This is what consistency actually looks like. Not hype, not motivation, just refusing to hit 0. Habit 6. I keep a done list. I used to end my days feeling behind, even when I wasn't. Your brain highlights what's unfinished. So I write down what I completed. You're doing more than you think. Habit 7. I eat the same breakfast most days. I removed 1 daily decision. That's hundreds of micro drains gone every year. Energy is limited. Protect it from small leaks. Habit 8. I say no to one thing every week that I'd normally say yes to. I used to say yes to everything. It felt productive. It was actually avoidance. One small no per week gave me my time back. Boundaries compound. Habit 9. I take a 10-minute walk after lunch. Not for fitness, for damage control. It prevents the afternoon crash that used to ruin my focus. 10 minutes saves hours. Habit 10. I read 10 pages a day. This started with 1 page. The difference between readers and non-readers is 0 days. 1 page keeps the identity alive. Habit 11. I send one thinking of you message every week. No agenda, no ask. Relationships don't end dramatically. They fade quietly. 1 message per week prevents the fade. None of these habits are impressive. That's why they survive real life. Habit 12. I do a 20-minute review every Sunday. Most people drift. This prevents drift. I look at the week, adjust the minimum, and decide if next week is growth mode or survival mode. Small steering corrections beat dramatic resets. Habit 13. I write 3 sentences before bed. What worked, what didn't, how I felt. Over time, patterns appear that I would have never noticed. Self-awareness doesn't require a perfect journal. It requires consistency. Habit 14. I automated my investing. Money moves before I see it. No discipline required. I'm not a perfect investor. I built a system that works without me. Wealth grows best when ego is removed. Habit 15. I close all browser tabs at the end of the day. Open tabs are open loops. Your brain tracks them quietly. Closing them creates psychological closure. Tomorrow feels lighter. Those are the 15 boring habits that rebuilt my life. Pick 3 to 5 you can actually sustain. Start today and watch how small actions quietly shape everything you do. Boring wins when you show up. If you want more practical habits and tips like this, hit subscribe and drop a comment sharing which habit you'll start with first.